Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Are you thinking, girl, what is wrong with you? Like, look at how I look. I know. It is because, I don't know if you got the memo, but we are doing all natural week. So here I am, all natural. I mean, okay, I'm a little more rough looking right now than all natural. This is like straight out of bed natural. I'm losing my voice because I had to put Sean down for a nap and he was just, man, those the terrible threes. The terrible threes, that's all I'm gonna say. But okay, so we are doing all natural week and I have a ton of products here that I am going to be talking about this week. Some are some products that I have been using for the past couple weeks or so myself. Some are products that we are going to be trying out together for the first time that just came in the mail from Amazon today. But I think we are going to start with, I was like going back and forth trying to figure out where I'm starting, but I decided we are going to start with something that's going viral right now, which I think is so funny, and I'll tell you why. This Indian healing clay. Do you know why I think it's funny? Because I would say 10 years ago, my mom bought this and was like talking about it and trying to get me to use it, and I thought she was crazy because, you know, that's how we are as kids. I think it's so funny because my parents are generally healthy. Like, my dad works out and eats well, and my mom is healthy, but she's a little more into it, like the organic and all natural, like trying to find, you know, the latest thing. And I think it's so funny because all of the trends and all these like health conscious health gurus come out with this stuff, and it's like, my mom was doing that like 10 years ago, like, and they think it's brand new. And so yeah, so anyway, I'm rambling. We had it still sitting there and I was like, oh, I shouldn't have even ordered it, but oh well, because that one was so old anyway, and this was $8 on Amazon, so I was like, who cares that I ordered it. So there's this little thing that says calcium bentonite clay, little tab. There are a ton of different brands. This actually is calcium bentonite clay, 100% natural, so you don't necessarily have to get this brand. This is what's been going viral, the Indian healing clay health and beauty Aztec secret, the one that looks like this. But if you are getting any brand that is the 100% natural clay, it doesn't matter which one you get. We are gonna do not just a face mask, but a hair mask. It says, fill your face pulsate. Facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. Enjoy the benefit of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. Directions. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensils. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. For delicate skin, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Fill your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Use it once per week for the family, more often for problem skin. Men love it too. It's so weird how they have it worded. I've used it before. Yeah, it's powerful. I've never used it consistently. Don't worry, I'm not going all like crazy, all natural, but I would like to make, you know, like if I could find products that are all natural, that are this cheap, that work, as opposed to $50 face masks, I'm all for it. Like, let's try it out. So I wanted to read some stuff I found online. Also, because I saw that you can use this as a hair mask. You can use it a couple different ways, but I am going to use it as the hair mask, which would be with the apple cider vinegar to help like detoxify and purify the hair. And then I'm going to add some essential oils which I told you I got my essential oils last week. So I was like, this is perfect. Because I saw directions for one of the hair masks where you just use it, like for the face, we're going to do the apple cider vinegar and clay. For the hair, it's the apple cider vinegar, clay, and you can add essential oil. So I'm like, that's perfect. We'll just do it all together. Now, I did find other ones where they say you can do it. It said you can use sweet almond oil or grapeseed oil, but we don't have to add that extra stuff. That was actually for, I believe, like coarser hair types. But I want to read you some of the stuff online. Bentonite clay is derived from ash aged over time. This ash is usually found in volcanoes. 6 benefits of it for the hair. Let's talk about this. It draws out toxins, impurities, and residual hair products out of the hair. These toxins, impurities, and residual products are retained within the mask, so when you rinse it off, your hair comes out squeaky clean. Even though bentonite clay makes hair squeaky clean, it does not strip the hair of moisture. On the contrary, it opens up the hair's cuticles, so when you apply your finishing products, the hair absorbs it better before your cuticle closes. Bentonite clay is especially beneficial for kinky, curly hair. It helps define your curls and aid in curl clumping. Bentonite clay is a key ingredient in the max hydration method, so I would be interested in how this works for African American hair, actually, because it says the kinky curly hair. Healing clay helps keep frizz and flyaways under control and promotes shiny hair. That's what I need, because my hair, I have a decent amount, but the strands are so darn fine that it is just flying all over. Healing clay contains many nutritional components, but when it comes to hair, the best properties include silicone, protein, calcium, sulfur, and iron, all vital for stronger and shinier hair. Bentonite clay can help alleviate certain scalp issues such as dandruff. Alright, so we're going to mix this up how it says to for skin. I'm going to put it on my face. Then once I got it on my face, I'm going to put it on my hair. I'm going to add some essential oil, put it on my hair, let it sit, go upstairs, rinse it out, and then I will check back in after. So I'm going to put this old towel on so I don't get it all over the place. And I'm just mixing it. Oh, you're supposed to mix it in a glass, wooden, or pottery bowl, and utensils preferably over like a cheap like plastic bowl or something. So I just got a mixing cup. You can hear my dog. You can always hear so much background noise. I'm sorry. And a wooden spatula. And I might make some extra since I'm going to be using it for the hair too. So we're just mixing equal parts, so it doesn't even matter. I'm just going to guesstimate, I guess, huh? Okay, so I put the clay in and I just put it up. I mean, this isn't like super exact, but I put it up to the 1/4 line. And I also wanted to do it in this because I thought it would be so easy to measure. So then I am just going to put in apple cider vinegar until the component is up to the 1/2 cup. So that would mean, since we're at 1/4 right now, if I fill it up to 1/2 cup with apple cider, that would be equal parts. Picking up what I'm putting down. If I could get the lid off, like I just keep twisting and twisting and twisting and nothing's happening. There we go. Alright. Oh, it's all fizzy and bubbly. Oh my gosh, do you hear it fizzing? So I'm going to mix this up, put it on my face. Then I'm going to add like 3 drops of lavender. It said you could choose an essential oil. And one of the options they said, like recommended, was lavender, which I was going to choose anyway because it's just a nice beauty product. Nice to add to beauty products. And I'm going to put it on my hair. And then I'm going to run upstairs. I'm going to leave it on. How about I leave it on for, I'm going to try 10 minutes since I have sensitive skin. And I'll do the same amount for my hair. And I'll time it and I'll let you guys know how long I ended up leaving it on for. And then I'll check back in. Okay, I guess I'm just going to start putting this on my face. But I don't even know how. It's so watery. I did equal parts though. We just gotta get messy here. That's what's gonna happen. I guess it's just not, it said it was supposed to be thick though, so that's what I'm not understanding, but I did equal parts. Okay. I'm just gonna put the essential oil in because essential oil is okay on your skin too. I'm gonna put 2 drops of essential oil in. Stir it up again. Look at the consistency. It's like foam. And then put this on my hair. Oh, now this is where we get messy, huh? This is where we get a little messy. See, it's starting, I think I should have let it sit because it's starting to get thicker again, I think. Since it's sitting. I'm gonna put it on my hair, I'll be right back. So it actually started to solidify once once you let it sit for a second and it stopped foaming, it started to solidify and turn more into a clay, which was easier to apply. I put it all over my hair, so I'm gonna let it sit for the 10 minutes and then wash this off, and I am gonna let you guys know how it's going. It's definitely hardening already. I feel like I didn't get any in that area. Yeah, it's definitely hardening. Alright, so I'll be back and I'll let you know how it's, how it turns out. It's starting, I can't talk, buddy. Alright, I'm back. As you can see, my face is super red, but they did say that was gonna happen. Now, like I said, I had a little trouble mixing it because, I didn't realize that if I let it settle, it would have turned back into like the mud consistency and I could have applied it thicker. My coat was kind of thin. It seemed to work okay. They said if I would have like dumped the liquid into it slower, obviously, then it wouldn't have fizzed up as much. But I used a thin coat. I left it on a little bit longer. I had no irritation at all. To tell you the truth, I did not feel any pulling or any of that they said, until I started wiping it off, and that's when my face got red like this. But I can't explain it. Even though there's this weird red reaction, my skin feels amazing. Like, my skin has never felt this clean, and I'm not even just saying that. Like, it feels so darn clean. It said to just go ahead and use whatever you would use normally, like, you know, your normal products after. I was thinking of using, if I could find it. I had a little freak out for a second. I couldn't find my Farsali, the rose gold elixir. I was thinking of putting this on because I know people use this, oh, you know, to prep their skin, and it was the viral thing, but when you look at it, the ingredients are awesome. 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. We have rose hip seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, 24 karat gold, lemongrass, orange, and vitamin E. So the ingredients are so nice, so I was like, why don't I try putting this on? I have another product I want to try, something I ordered, but guys, I am gonna do that. Look how nice this is. I'm gonna be doing a couple all natural videos this week, and this video is just all about this mask, so I'm gonna save that other product for later on in the week. Look, the redness is already going down. Okay, so my hair, I didn't use any extra product, just used the clay mask. I didn't use shampoo or anything. Look at how crazy my hair is. We're going to talk about the all natural shampoo that I've been using in my video later on in the week. Right now, I have been using this Pure and Clean Detangler by Garnier Fructis. We will talk about this later in the week also. I'm going to use it right now to try to comb through my hair. We'll talk about it later because I'm going to actually, there's another all natural one I saw that I want to pick up, and I want to kind of compare the two. I should have been using conditioner. This is I have crazy hair, so this is gonna be bad, I can already tell. But my texture is always different when I don't condition. I usually never do not condition. As I said, the only reason I didn't was because I just wanted to stick to the mask. I should have just used conditioner and been like, okay, this is the, what's it called? When you're doing a science fair project and you have a, like, factor that changes the outcome. The, you know, whatever it's called. I should have just said I should have just said I'm using conditioner and this could affect the outcome. Like, you can feel how much drier it is from the mask. So this mask is supposed to like purify your hair, so the point of that would be to like kind of take out, one of the things it would do is like take out the toxins from like maybe other shampoos, like if you're switching to all natural, like before you make the switch. So I am using an all natural shampoo right now, so I guess I can see like when I shampoo my hair tomorrow or the next day if it's different. Listen, this is so difficult, I'm not even gonna end up blow drying it. Like, this is a disaster. It looks pretty. Okay, I might stop here because I'm gonna end up ripping my entire head of hair out and wait until I get something that allows me to brush through it. I mean, I guess the true test is like on my Thursday video, like after, you know, like I wash this again, like see how my hair is, if I notice any difference. The texture of it is definitely different, but it almost feels good in a way. As crazy as that sounds, it almost feels good. And like, I know I didn't dry it all the way because it was giving me so much trouble, but I feel like it almost looks good too. What do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, so yeah, I definitely liked this mask. We will see how my skin does with this. I'm gonna keep using it once a week, I would say. I don't have problem skin, so once a week, if it's not problem skin. We will see how it does. So yeah, that's it. I tested it out. Let me know what you guys think of this product. I'm gonna keep using this and I'm gonna hope that it works. I would replace my other masks with this if it worked. Like, my skin looks amazing since I used this mask. I can't even believe it. Like, truly amazing. I'm sticking to this at least once a week. And then maybe I'll throw in like one other mask, like a hydrating. I feel like I use all these different like sample products that I get from Ipsy. That's another reason I was kind of done. I kind of just want to stick to a skincare routine. Like, yeah, I appreciate getting free products, but I kind of just want to stick to like a skincare routine and see if it works. Sometimes I think we overdo it with too many products. But yeah, that's it. More all natural this week. So I will see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and check out the Jeffree Star or whatever giveaway is going on my Instagram. Love you, bye.